very interesting right-sided headache case. So when I see right-sided headaches or the side specific, it usually points me in the direction of an organ pathology that's going on. So we've got these nasty right-sided headaches, bloating, constipation, really bad GERD, a lot of acid reflux, some pain in the upper back and in the right shoulder, which is very interesting as well, itching in the mid-back, fatigue. Now, all of these things are starting to point me in the direction of some kind of gallbladder inflammation. That pain like that, this type of headache, there's constipation, there's bloating, digestion's obviously not working well. I inquired then about lab values and there was high bilirubin, which again is pointing me in that direction. So in this particular case, didn't use a single herb to help the headaches, just focused on that gallbladder. I used a combination of formulas called Yin Chen Hao Tong and Da Chai Hu Tong. These actually are very strong purgative for the gallbladder. I used a little bit to increase circulation to the area and a little bit more for decreasing inflammation. I also gave a little supplement called Microgard to help in restoring gut function, help the microbiome out. And interestingly enough, within 2 weeks, the headaches were almost completely gone. We needed to treat longer to really fix this issue, fix the fatigue, the itchy back, the constipation, all those things. And we ended up working together for about 3 months and just completely wiped all of this stuff out. But that's where it was really interesting that we didn't use a single, quote, typical pain-killing herb for the headaches at all. Just treated the organ pathology that was there and watched the symptoms go away.